If you have a Kia, you need to remove the disc rotor and you don't know how to take these bolts loose, stay with us and we'll teach you a trick. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle guys. If you have a Kia vehicle, practically it could be any Kia vehicle, and you're trying to remove the front disc brakes, the disc rotor guys, and you have two bolts that are stuck and you don't know how to remove them. You try everything you can and they strip, they don't come off. Stay with us, we'll show you a trick guys that can save you so much headache. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what it is. So, let us guys tell us a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We try to take them completely apart and show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, if you need to buy parts, tools for your Kia vehicle, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all our tools and parts from. Check it out, parts for really good price and quick shipping as well. In addition guys, if you want to save even more money and learn how to fix your car for free, check out our main channel, Auto Repair guys. You can find so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on future car repairs guys. We have helped more than 100 million people on this channel. So let's start on it now. So we're about to guys remove and replace those disc rotors that Kia has been sitting for a while, so we need to put new brakes. Now we notice number one thing, check out how round these screws are. Okay, these screws are completely round up guys, so somebody didn't know what they were doing. So let's explain now what the proper way to remove those. If you just get a screwdriver, try to take them off, that's what will happen. Okay, and you will not be able to remove them. What you need to do, let's get some penetrating spray guys. If you need to buy some good one, we'll put the link where we got ours in the description of the video below. Now make sure you soak these bolts, okay, between the bolt and the rotor spray, soak it multiple times, and I would even recommend to do it 2-3 times, okay, wait 15-20 minutes, okay, and it will work its magic. Now, it's important to get on the inside. What you need to do next, okay, you need to get, guys, okay, a bit, screwdriver bit, that fits perfectly there. So let me explain now. Let me just get the screwdriver itself. This is guys the bit right here. You can see how good it fits. Okay, it's the perfect size for both bolts. Perfect. Now we're going to get 1/4 inch socket that fits that bit really good. Make sure it doesn't go all the way in the socket. Now tap it with the hammer guys, hit it, don't break the bit. Make sure you go straight, not sideways, and hit it. That will crack the rust. Get a ratchet, and you're going to put, okay, a lot of pressure now with the ratchet, pushing in while you're taking it out, because it will try to come out. So, push all the way in and start taking them out. And these bolt guys came out with no problem. Check it out. Even though it's rounded. Just people didn't know what they were doing last time. And let us show you, we just spread it for a little bit. You can see all the rust, but you can see the penetrating oil started working. If you spread even more, it will go more in. Now, the second one, exactly the same procedure guys. Grab the thing, push it in. Great. Now, make sure you put pressure on the ratchet not to come out. Okay, and it came loose, that's it. So, that's the magic guys. Most of you may not know that, but that's what it takes. Now, if you want to see more helpful videos and how to save your money on fixing your Kia vehicle guys, or any car, we have quite helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.